If you're a church media designer, pastor, or freelancer, this AI trick could save you hours. Let's create a church flyer in under 3 minutes.
The first thing to do is to head over to Pinterest. So when you get to Pinterest, you're going to search for a template. So we are designing church flyer. So you come here. So when you come here, then you come to the search bar, then you search for church flyer. So you're going to see a lot of templates. Then you look for the exact one that actually looks like what you actually need. Okay, so let's go with this. Then for you to download it, you can just come here. Then you download. So after downloading, the next thing you need to do is to go to your ChatGPT. So when you come to your ChatGPT, the next thing you need to do is to upload your template. So you come to your template. So you're going to upload your template. Then after uploading your template, you're going to paste this prompt. It said, this is my design template. Study the layout, the color, the font, and the style. Do not generate anything. Just wait for my next instruction. So what this prompt will do is to analyze the design, look at the color, the layout, everything about it. Then so let's send it. Now look at something here. ChatGPT said, understood, I've studied the template and I will use it as a visual reference for any design you request next. Now let's look at this design. Actually, what you see in this design here, we have two. This is the host, then is the guest minister. Those now here, this logo here is a reference. Then the text here is a reference. Then the name of the pastors, the invited pastors are referenced. All these details, they are referenced. So we are going to supply for the new flyer we want to create now. All these details is what we're going to provide for the AI to be able to generate exact replica of this or something better than this. You get the point. So now you're going to paste this prompt. So if you need this prompt, just drop it in the comment section that I need this prompt, and I'm going to actually send it to you right away. So it says use this exact layout, style, design, the template uploaded, create a new version with this photo. So now if you look at the template we have two images here. The one for the host, you get. So we're going to upload two pictures. The host will be number 1, then the guest minister will be number 2. Now, like I said earlier, all the details here. So I'm going to write out my own, the theme of the program. I'm going to write it. Then the Passion Mind Conference. So either if it's Holy Ghost Conference, Power Night, I'm going to also write it. So this is my own version. So the logo is Holiness Revival Church. So and if you have the logo of the church, you can upload it together with the other images. Then the theme is Call Unto Holiness. Then is Believers Conference. Then image 1, I'm going to upload image 1 now. That will be the host pastor. Then is part here. So all I need to do, so all the details of the new program that I want to create now, so I'm just going to add it to this prompt here. So I'm going to just to replace the placeholder here. So I've added it to the prompt now. So now I want to upload the images that is needed. So the image 1 will be host pastor, image 2 will be the guest minister. You get the point. So the first image is the host pastor. The host pastor, that's image 1. Then the second image that's the guest minister. Then if you have a logo that you want, you can just select the logo, then you indicate in your reference write-up that the logo is image 3. You get. So once you've uploaded and done everything, then you click, then the AI is going to process it and produce your image for you. So if you need the prompt I actually use, you can drop it in the comment section that I need the prompt, and I'm going to send it to you right away. Now this is what we're able to get now. You can see that this is actually amazing. This is actually amazing. Seriously, it's amazing. So if there's anything you actually want to correct there, you can actually get it corrected. As simple as ABC. So if you want more content like this, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video.